How can you convert this type of random Excel data into separate columns using a single prompt in ChatGPT? Hi everyone, welcome again to another exciting video about ChatGPT and data entry. In this video, we will convert random Excel data into separate columns using a single prompt in ChatGPT. Select this raw data. Copy it. And go to ChatGPT. Write down this prompt. Now paste the copied data here and hit Enter button. Let's wait for the process to complete. Here you can see that our data is sorted into two different columns. Now copy this data into an Excel sheet. Here you can see the well-organized data. Let's repeat this process for another batch of the raw data. In this way, you can refine your data. This will help you in your data entry and copy-paste jobs. To learn more about these prompts, check the description box for a free guide. Subscribe to my channel for exciting daily videos about AI tools.